Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to a very important current affairs session in which we are going to discuss all the important apps which were launched in 2020 or 2021 by central government, state government or any other private body. So this is going to be a very important session for all your upcoming exams. Hence, I request you कि आप वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिए और जो एंड में मैं आपको असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चंस दूंगा उनको भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. And as always, you can contact me on these social media platform. If you need any help, you can ask your questions here. And also, please visit novation.in. यहाँ पर आप लेक्चर रिसोर्सेज डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, कई सारे क्विजेज दे सकते हैं. अगर आपको नोवेशन का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है तो आप नोवेशन को डोनेट करके सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. Alright friends, so with that, I'll begin today's lecture. The first question. Name the mobile app launched by the Government of India to monitor the inoculation drive and track the listed beneficiaries of COVID-19 vaccination. So friends, government ने vaccination के लिए भी एक dedicated app launch किया है, उसका नाम है C-Covin. Let's see the PTN. So for all the beneficiaries, it is mandatory that they should download Covin app or register themselves on the Covin platform. Alright, and QR based vaccination certificate will only be generated for COVID vaccine beneficiaries who are registered on the Covin platform. So government ने इसको mandatory किया है अगर आपको ये vaccination लगाना है तो. Next is, which of the following apps was launched by the Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry recently on Good Governance Day? Friends, Good Governance Day कब होता है? It is on 25th December every year. Alright, so कौन सा app launch किया है दोस्तों? It is a e-Sampada app. So let's see what this app is. So this new application provides a single window service for allotment of government residential accommodations, office space allocation to government organization and complexes in 28 cities, and also booking holiday home rooms. So these are the facilities available on this app. Next is, name the new digital payment app launched by the Department of Post and India Post Payment Bank. Friends, here the correct answer is C, DarkPay. Let's see what this app is all about. So this will help transfer funds, check the balance of your account, and various other financial services will be provided by this app so that even the nook and corner of our countries are connected to this digital financial system of India. All right. Next, name the Indian film stars who have come together to launch the app called Social Swag. So another important question. The correct answer is both Akshay Kumar and C, Rana Daggubati. So the correct answer will be D, both A and C. Let's see what this app is all about. So this app is basically for influencers and their audience. So if the audience want to connect to their celebrity or their influencers, they can directly connect via Social Swag. So they can connect through other inspirational individuals, also through personal interaction and learning forums. All right. Next, which of the following banks recently announced iMobile Pay, the app which offers a unique combination of facilities of payment app? So friends, this was launched by D, ICICI Bank. Let's see the PTN. So through this app, iMobile Pay, there are various facilities which the customers can avail, such as enabling customers to pay any UPI or merchant, pay bills, online recharge, saving account, opening and investment loans, etc. All right, moving forward. Next is, the Government of India has recently released the back-end code of Dash app to enhance transparency. फ्रेंड्स, here the correct answer is A, आरोग्य सेतु. आपको याद होगा फ्रेंड्स, जब आरोग्य सेतु रिलीज हुआ था, there was a lot of controversy that this app is not safe and this will steal the data. So government has actually went ahead and released the backend and front end code of this app, Arogya Setu, in open domain, so that all of these repositories of the code are available to the developer community now. And who is the Minister of Electronics and Information Technology? He is Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Okay, you can note the name down, Prasad. Next is, the mobile app called Green Delhi was launched by who among the following? So friends, here the correct answer is B, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, who is the CM of Delhi. He launched this app. Now what this app is all about, so people of Delhi can click pictures and make video of pollution causing activities such as burning of garbage, industrial pollution, dust, etc. And this app will showcase these photos to concerned authorities. Then these concerned authorities will send team and they will tackle this issue of pollution, and time bound redressal will be provided. Next is, Which state has launched the two citizen-centric mobile apps Ama Sahar and Swachh Sahar? So here the correct answer is B, Odisha. Let's see the PTN. So these apps were launched as a part of the 5T states mandate, that is transparency, teamwork, technology, timeliness, and leading to transformation. And who is the CM of Odisha? He is Mr. Naveen Patnaik. All right. Moving forward. Name the app recently launched by the Government of India which is aimed to encourage public engagement in planting trees and other such green drives. Friends, here the correct answer is B, M Haryali. Let's see the PTN. So the aim of this app is to encourage public engagement in planting trees and other such green drives. And this app will also provide automatic geotagging of the plants. So हर प्लांट का एक जियोटैग होगा जिससे उसको डायरेक्टली ट्रैक किया जा सकता है कि उस प्लांट की या उस ट्री की स्टेट कैसी है. The app will also enable nodal officers to periodically monitor the plantation and the growth. Moving forward, name the app launched by Road Transport and Highway Ministry to enhance the road safety. Very important question, friends. Here the correct answer is C, IRAD. अब मैं आपको इसके फीचर्स बताता हूँ जो कि बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. So IRAD stands for Integrated Road Accident Database Project. So through this mobile application, this will enable police officers to enter detail about all the road accidents in this database along with photos and videos. Now every accident will have a unique ID. So what will happen? The ministry's team will go at that place and it will check how by looking at the videos and images how such accidents could have been prevented by changing the design of the road or by changing the turns, etc. So that's how they are trying to reduce the accidents. Moving forward, name India's first football training app launched by Baichung Bhutia football schools. Friends, here the correct answer is C, Njogo. Let's see the PTN. So the Njogo app has a library of workouts with inbuilt videos of drills and audio instruction that accompany a user while they work out. So आप जब भी खुद को ट्रेन करेंगे फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड किसी भी एक्सरसाइज के लिए, so you can get all these exercise built in only one app. All right. Next is, which state government has launched the iRakhwali app to make citizens greenery saviors? So here the correct answer will be D, Punjab. Let's see the PTN. So this application is developed to ensure greenery and to protect the environment in Punjab. The main aim is to inspire people to plant more and more trees. Friends, आप देख सकते हैं कि ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह ये एप्लीकेशंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ करके कैसे एनवायरनमेंट को सुधारा जा रहा है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which state government has launched e-Peak Pahani mobile app for farmers? This is an important question because it is related to farmers. So here the correct answer is A, Maharashtra. Who is the CM of Maharashtra? He is Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. He said that e-Peak Pahani mobile application of the state government will reduce hardships of the farmer. अब कैसी hardship की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे? So that farmers will not face any trouble in finding right price and good market for their products. Alright, so that's the e-Peak Pahani app. Moving forward, next is, name the app launched by NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, to facilitate creation of green highways across the country. So again, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वृक्षारोपण के लिए ही ये ऐप काम करेगा. So here the correct answer is B, Harit Path. Let's see the PTN. So this app will be used to monitor location, growth, species detail, maintenance activities, target and achievement of each public sector unit company for every plant under highway plantation project along with the plantation of the highways. All right. Next is, which of the following union territories has launched an app eGyan Mitra for online education? Friends, here the correct answer is Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Let's see the PTN. So Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. So not just Dadar and Nagar Haveli, along with it, Daman and Diu are also involved in this development of this app. So through this app, the students from primary till higher secondary can take online classes and give online tests also. All right. Next is, name the mobile app which caters exclusively to payment needs of teenagers and their families. So here by teenagers, I mean people who are below the 18 years of age, below 18 years. All right. So here the correct answer is A, FamPay. So let's see what it is. With FamPay, minors can do UPI, P2P, that is peer-to-peer, and card payments without the need to set up a bank account. भले आपका बैंक अकाउंट ओपन नहीं होगा, बट अगर आप इसका यूज़ करेंगे तो यू कैन डू सच पेमेंट्स. FamPay allows parents to send money to their kids below the age of 18 years. All right. Next, Conservation Agencies has launched a mobile application called Dash aimed at turtle conservation. So turtle conservation के लिए कौन सा ऐप recently इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ है? It is Sea Kurma. Let's see the PTN. So this app is developed by Indian Turtle Conservation Action Network (ITCAN), and it is also in collaboration with Turtle Survival Alliance India and Wildlife Conservation Society of India. This is going to provide a database to find and identify the species and also provide the location of the nearest rescue center for turtles across the country. So I hope this app name is clear and you have noted it down. We'll move forward now. Next question is, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu launched which of the following homegrown social media super app? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Elements. So let's see what this app is all about. So it was inspired by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar, and he inspired around 1000 IT professionals who came together to create this homegrown Elements app, the first social media super app made in India. Moving forward. Now friends, we are on this assignment part of the video. I want you guys to please answer these 5 questions in the comment section. So first is, आप मुझे बताइए कि कौन से 2 ऐप लॉन्च किए गए हैं यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ अर्थ साइंस के द्वारा which will help public users and those involved in agriculture to track weather updates and other features. So tell me in the comment section. Next, name the app launched by Mr. Sonu Sood to help migrants find job opportunities. Very important question. आप फ्रेंड्स इसका जो पुराना नाम था वो भी बताइए, ओल्ड नेम एंड न्यू नेम दोनों, नया नाम भी मुझे बताइए इस ऐप का. Next, which state has launched an app called Megh Sandesha, which will provide real-time information as well as forecast on rains and flood. So अगर आप monthly current affairs follow करते हैं तो इसका आप आंसर बहुत आसानी से दे पाएंगे. Which app is launched by Government of India that aims at connecting with the Indian community overseas? Very easy. हमने December monthly current affairs में discuss भी किया है इसे. Name the secure messaging app launched by the Indian Army. Also tell me the name of this app. So friends, I hope you'll answer them in the comment section so that others can also be benefited. So with that, we come to an end to this session. I thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'm pretty sure that this video has helped you. So if you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on current affairs, static GK, verbal ability, etc. And friends, I'll request you that please visit novation.in, और अगर आपको Novation का content अच्छा लगता है तो please आप Novation को donate करके support करिए. Okay friends, so I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.